Hello, colleagues. Today I want to talk about Terraform. Let's look at what it is, why it matters, and how you can use it in real-world scenarios. Many of you, I believe, already know the basics, but in this video I want to explain it clearly and focus on useful hands-on details. Before we continue, please support this channel. If this video helps you, like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful content. Terraform is a simple but powerful tool that helps you manage your IT infrastructure using code. This is called infrastructure as a code. It makes you can write a file to describe your servers, databases, network, and other services. These files are easy to read and understand. You can save them in Git repository or another version control system, just like a regular code. One of the main benefits of Terraform is that your setup becomes repeatable. You can create the same infrastructure many times without doing it by hand. This is great for testing, backup, or creation new environments. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you want to create a virtual machine on AWS. With Terraform, you just write a few lines of code, and the machine will be created exactly the same way every time. If you need 5 machines, you can do that easily by changing only one value. Terraform can work with many types of systems. You can use it to create virtual machines, storages, networks, etc. But also to manage DNS records, cloud services, Kubernetes clusters, or even GitHub settings. Terraform connects to these systems through providers. A provider is a plugin that tells Terraform how to talk to a specific platform. There are many ready-to-use providers in the Terraform registry. For example, for AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, Helm, GitHub, and many others. You can also write your own provider if needed. Terraform is also very safe. Before doing anything, it shows you a plan, and this plan tells you what Terraform will change. You can review it, and only after your approval will it apply the changes. This makes everything clear and easy to track. Terraform also uses a state file. This file remembers what your infrastructure looks like. Terraform uses it to compare what you want to what you already have. Then it only makes the needed changes. This saves time and avoids mistakes. You don't need to write every step. You just describe what the final result should be. This is called a declarative language. Terraform will figure out how to make it happen. To save time, you can use create modules. These are small parts of code that can be reused. For example, you can write a module for a virtual machine or a database setup. Then use it in many projects across your organization. This helps keep your code clean and make it easier to share across teams. Let's say your team wants to use the same security group in different environments. You can write a module for it, and now everyone can reuse it with just a few lines of code. This improves teamwork and reduces errors. When your code is stored in Git, you can work with your team more easily. Or, for example, Terraform Cloud gives you a safe place to run Terraform commands, manage shared settings and secrets. It controls who can do what. It also gives you a private place to store and share your modules and providers. In my own opinion, Terraform is one of the best tools today for DevOps and cloud engineers. It's flexible, clear, and backed by a strong community. I hope this video helped you understand Terraform better. Try it in your projects to make your work faster, safer, and more consistent. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck and see you in next video.